Good morning, children. I hope you all are fit and fine. You all have enjoyed your activity class and try to learn something new. So, today we are going to discuss chapter number 6, that is your introduction to Scratch programming. So, in this chapter, we are going to learn how to make games, how to make short stories, etc. So let's start with our chapter. So let's move to the first part. What is the first part? Concept of program and programming. So first we will clear our concept, what is program and what is programming. So let's start. Program. A computer program is a collection of instructions that performs a specific task when executed by a computer. So what is program? Program is a collection of instructions which perform a specific task. So let me give you a simple example. So as a teacher, if I give you some command or instructions like suppose come here, go there, stand up, sit down. These are the instructions and I am giving, and you are performing that specific task as I am saying. So this is in computer also, these things are happening. So what is computer program? So computer program is a collection of instructions that perform a specific task. So every program has a different instructions to perform different tasks. So next, the program is written in English language which is converted by language processor and vice versa. So first, what is language processor? Your language processor is known as translator program. As we all know that computer understands only binary language or 0 and 1. If we are giving our instructions in English language, then computer unable to understand. That time we require a translator program to convert that to machine language. Okay, so next is your computer program is written by a computer programmer. So who are writing the program? The computer programmers writing the computer program by using the programming language. So what is programming? Computer programming is the process of designing and building an executive program for producing a desired output. So what is programming? The programming is the process to write the program or in which way we want to give the instructions to the computer. That is our programming. So here I will discuss another thing. What is programming language? Your programming language is a set of rules and regulations which are used to write a program. So what is programming language? Programming language is a set of rules and regulations which is used to write a program. And what is language? Language is the way we are using for communication. So here in which things we are communicating? Here we are communicating with the computer. So let's move to the next part. So now we will discuss the Scratch programming. So what is Scratch programming? The Scratch is a visual. So what is the meaning of visual? Connected with seeing. That means we can connect by seeing that things. So Scratch is a visual programming language which help us to create animation, games, music and interactive stories. So what is the Scratch programming used for? Scratch programming is used to create animation, games, music and interactive stories. So we will do in this practical. With Scratch, you can program your own interactive stories, games and animation. Yes, with the Scratch programming, we can create our own interactive stories, games and animation. And we can also share our own creation with on the web. Web means in the internet or in the web page. So next, it is developed by the Lifelong Kindergarten group at MIT Lab. MIT Lab. So where it is created? It's created at the MIT Lab. It helps to children learn to utilize their imagination, practice common sense and interact with computer. So what the use of this language? It helps to children to learn to create their own imagination, common sense and interact with computer. So let's start how to start the Scratch programming. So before using the Scratch programming, we have to install the Scratch programming in our laptop or desktop. Okay, so after that only we are able to use that one. So what are the steps? Click on the start button. You know that where our start button is present? Yes. Click on the all apps. So then after that we have to click on the all apps. Next, click on the Scratch. We have to choose the Scratch and then we have to click on it. Scratch window will appear. So when the Scratch window will appear, some of the components of Scratch is there. So first we will discuss about the components of the Scratch. So first component is stage. Stage is the area where the stories, games and animations